Hello guys. Today we'll be talking about using AI tool to create animation videos. The tool we will be using is Moonvalley. Moonvalley is a text-to-video generative AI tool that lets you create stunning animated videos. In simple terms, it's basically you writing words and feeding it to the AI tool to generate video content based on what you wrote. To get started, you input moonvalley.ai into your browser to get to its web page. Below we can see all the videos created by others using this AI text-to-video prompts. Let's keep scrolling to see more. These are stunning generations. These are videos other users have generated on this server. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To generate yours, click on this Try Beta button. At the time of making this video, the AI is still in beta testing. Clicking the button takes us to Discord. I have an account already with Discord. If you don't, you can easily create one. It opens, and I also have joined the Moonvalley server, else there would be an onboarding process, which you would likely get if new. By the left, you will notice groups New Moon 1 to 6. It's within any of this. You will write a text-to-video prompt to generate your animate videos. To create a video, you start by typing / and a dialog pops up. Choose the /create. In the prompt box, I will type the text I want the AI to generate video using. Styling is for choosing how I want the video to look or appear. We can choose between any of these. Duration is picking the length of the videos. We have additional options to make our videos more accurate. Image uses an existing image to guide the AI in generating a video. Camera is for choosing the camera movement of the video. There are various options to choose and experiment with. Model version. Moonvalley currently has two versions, 1 and 2. V1 is the old model, and V2 the default is the recent and still in development. Seed accepts only number figure and used to maintain a consistent look of characters across multiple generated videos. Negative prompt is to tell the AI tool things you don't want in the generation, be it appearance, lighting, anything. Let's send in our text prompt and wait for the video generation. Returns an animated flying car video, just as I have specified in the prompt command. You can play it to view the video and also download it. Click this icon to download the video. Let's create another account example. Input a text I want the AI to generate videos from. A Japanese girl. Remember, you can type in any text prompt here except for words that are not safe for work. For this video, I'm picking anime/manga for the style. I'm going with the long duration for this animation. I'm leaving all other options empty. No need to use them as the required fields are the first 3 boxes. Click Enter. An animated video in anime/manga style following my text prompt was generated. Play the video to see if it's exactly what matches the prompt you needed the AI to create. It's exactly what I needed. So guys, that's how you create stunning animation videos using words. It's that simple. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and like this video as it's helpful to you watching.